Hello and welcome. In this episode, I'm showing to you this integrated standby instrument system. It's the replication or the replacement for the Gyro Horizon, the standby Gyro Horizon. This integrated standby instrument system replaces the old standby Gyro Horizon instrument. The other one used mechanical parts and flags to fail, and it's a no-go item because it's the standby system. It shows the aircraft attitude, but this one is completely electronic. MEMS sensors, micro electromechanical systems. It completely runs on electronics sensors, so it's more reliable than the old Gyro Horizon standby system. Let's see the features and the test. Here's the bugs button. Here's the reset button. The intensity buttons. And this is the auto brightness sensor. Intensity buttons are also used in the menus. This is the baro knob. This is the landing system button. When you press and hold the two buttons together, landing system and bugs, you get the test menu. Here are functional test and display test. And the return button is the reset button. That's the display test. And the reset is back. Other data, LRU ident, that's the part number and the serial number. Return, engineering data, the failure code, and the failure message. Let's make the functional test. It takes 110 seconds. In progress, 110 seconds. After the time passes for the test, the 110 seconds pass, you get the results of the test printed on the screen. Adelu 1 and Adelu 3 are off. You go back to the previous screen. That's all. That's the integrated standby instrument system test. So if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you and goodbye.